students. So as we were doing worksheet 3.1 we have done. Today we will do worksheet 3.2. Let me see what is in this worksheet. So there is question number 1. There are 1290 students in a school. Of them 643 are girls. So how many are boys? Okay, so what is the total number of students in a class? 1290. And how many girls? 643. So we have to find out the number of boys. Okay, so let me do subtract 643 with 1290. Okay, now 3 will not be subtracted from 0, so 0 will borrow with 9, so it will be 10, it will be 8. Okay, so now 10, when we subtract 3 with 10, so it will be here 7. When 4 subtract from 8, it will be 4. Now look here students, 6 is greater than 2, so once again 2 will borrow with 1, so it will be 12 and it will be 0 already. Okay, so 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, so it will be 647. You will write down here a statement. There are 647 boys in the school. Okay, now the question number 2. In a bookshop there are 2050 books. If 1706 books got sold, how many books are left over in the bookshop? Okay students, so एक बुक शॉप में टोटल 2050 बुक्स हैं, उनमें से 1706 सोल्ड आउट हो गए. सो हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर इन द शॉप? अब शॉप में कितने बुक्स बचे हैं? नाउ सो लेट वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड वंस अगेन 2050 and 1706. That we have to subtract here. Once again 0 will borrow with 5, so it will be 10, it will be 4. Okay, and once again here is also 0, so 0 will borrow from 2, so it will be 10 and it will be 1. Okay, so now we have to subtract these numbers. When we subtract 6 from 10, so it will be 4 and here is 4. When we subtract 7 from 10, so it will be 3 and here is 0. Okay, it means 344 books. Okay, 344 books are left over in the bookshop. So you have to write down here 344 books are left over in the bookshop. Okay, how many books are left over? 344. Now let me do question number 3. There are 670 seats in a cinema hall. How many seats in a cinema hall? 670. And on a particular day 524 persons come to see the film. एक पर्टिकुलर डे में टोटल 524 पर्सन सिनेमा देखने के लिए आए. सो हाउ मेनी सीट्स वर वेकेंट? वेकेंट सीट कितनी रह गई? ओके, वंस अगेन सी, एक सिनेमा हॉल में टोटल जो है वो 670 सीट्स हैं. एक पर्टिकुलर डे में ओनली 524 पर्सन्स जो हैं वो वहाँ पे सिनेमा देखने आते हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वेकेंट सीट. कितनी सीट जो है वो वेकेंट रह गई. So what we have to do? We will subtract 524 from 670. Let me do it. 670, then 524. We have to subtract it. Now once again we will borrow from 7. It will be 10 and it will be 6. Now when we subtract 4 from 10, it will be 6. Here will be 4 and here will be 1. Okay, so how many seats were vacant? 146. So you have to write down here 146 seats were vacant. Okay, 146 seats were vacant. So that was 1, 2, 3. Now let me do question number 4, 5, 6. Now let me do question number 4. There are 8,275 males and 7,896 females in a village. Okay, so in a village there are 8,275 males. Okay, what is the number of males? 8,275 and 7,896 females. So how many less females than males are there in the village? Okay, so we have to find out the less number of females than मेल्स. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि फीमेल्स की नंबर मेल्स से कितनी ज़्यादा लेस है. नाउ सो लेट वी डू हियर. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 8,275 and 7,896. So we have to subtract 7,896 from 8,275. Okay students. Now 6 will be not subtracted from 5, so we will borrow with 7, so it will be 15. Okay, so once again look here it will be 6. Okay, so it will be not subtracted from 6, so 6 will borrow from 2, so it will be 16. Now look here, it will be 1. Okay, and 8 will not be subtracted from 1, so 1 will borrow from 8, so it will be 11, and now it will be 7. Okay, so now look here students, when we subtract 6 from 15, so it will be 9. When we subtract 9 from 16, so it will be 7. When we subtract 8 from 11, so it will be 3, and here will be 0. Okay, no number is left here, so 379. Okay, so we will write down here 379 females less than males. Okay, 379 females less than males. Males से कितनी ज़्यादा कम है? 379. Okay, so now let me do question number 5. Kamla has an album in which 500 stamps can be kept. कमला के पास एक एल्बम है जिसमें 500 स्टैम्प्स रखे हैं. Now she at present has only 382 stamps. लेकिन अभी उसके एल्बम में ओनली 382 स्टैम्प्स रखे हुए हैं. So how many more stamps can she keep in the album? वो अपने एल्बम में और कितने स्टैम्प्स रख सकती है. ओके, कमला के पास एक एल्बम है जिसमें हम 500 स्टैम्प्स रख सकते हैं. ओके, अभी प्रेजेंट में उसके पास 382 स्टैम्प्स हैं जो उस एल्बम में रखे हैं, और कितनी ज़्यादा स्टैम्प्स उसमें रखे जा सकते हैं. सो लेट वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 382 फ्रॉम 500. ओके, 500, 382. Now, so 2 will not be subtracted from 0, so it will be 10. Okay, and it will be 9. Okay, and it will be 4. Why? In previous class I have also told to you 0 cannot give to the next number, so 0 will borrow from 5 and then it will give to the next 0. Okay, so now we will write down here. When we subtract, it will be 8, it will be 1, and it will be also 1. So 118. Okay, so how more stamps can she kept in the album? She can kept 118 more stamps in the album. Okay, now so 118 more stamps she can kept in the album. Okay. 180 more stamps he can kept in the album. Now let me see question number 6. 866 person visited a zoo on Sunday. Sunday को 866 person visit करने आए zoo में. Out of these 562 were adults. उसमें adults यानी बड़ों की संख्या 562 थी. How many children visited the zoo that day? तो कितने चिल्ड्रन जो थे वो जू में विजिट करने आए थे. लेट यू सी हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स आर विजिटेड. 866. ओके, सो आउट ऑफ 866 562 इज एडल्ट. ओके, 562 आर एडल्ट्स. नाउ लेट मी फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. So we have to subtract 866 and 562. Okay, so we will subtract 562 from 866. Now when we subtract 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It means 304. So what is the number of children? 304. You will write down here 304 children visited in the zoo that day. Okay, that day. Okay, so students, that was your sums which we have done. Rest of the sums you will do just like as yourself. Okay.